If you have a bankruptcy on your credit report, you need to reach out to me now. I will leave a link in the description of the video for My Score IQ. You can get it for $1. Even if you're not my client, sign up for My Score IQ. Send me an email with your username, password, last four digits of your social, and my legal team will go over your report and see if there's any violations with the bankruptcy and how it's being reported, the status, and the accounts included in bankruptcy. If they find violations, they're going to sue on your behalf and get you $250 to $750, sometimes more, and get the account fixed. So if you are my client already, don't worry, they are already reviewing all my bankruptcy cases as we speak. So again, it only costs you $1 to sign up for My Score IQ. Then email me the username, password, and the last four digits of your social. And if we find those violations, we will reach back out to you and forward everything to the attorneys to try to get you paid. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.